I know Janes very well. He's the most trustworthy person who I know, and that's why I wish all my best for him and for his party in the forthcoming elections, because we need really European leaders who know what is responsible of the individual country. We all must do our best in order to keep our economy strong, and we all must fulfill all the criteria what the United Europe really means. And Janes, who is really experienced person, who is really good experience of being good European leader, I cannot imagine the best prime minister for the country than Janes Jansa is, because of experience and because of personality. So that's why I wish all the best for Janes Jansa and for his party.